seconds in South Bay.
Hi everybody, Marcy Klein with Klein Creative Media, and my special guest is Melanie Ray from Guided Business Plan.
Thank you so much for inviting me here.
All right, so Melanie and I met each other because we're both certified women-owned businesses. And Melanie came in today to do her video blog. And I had no idea that she lives in the South Bay in Redondo Beach. So Melanie, tell me about being in the South Bay.
Well, I just think that our whole conversation overlaps the fact that I'm an entrepreneur. I work out of different cafes all around South Bay, and then we just started talking about, well, what's the best cafe to go to in the South Bay. So I've been to your Starbucks, your Coffee Beans. I loved Catalina, but one of my favorite places is just rolling up to the Redondo Beach Esplanade and just parking my car there, rolling down the window, and then opening up the laptop and working from there. So
Is the beach inspiring to you for writing?
all the time. I love going to Palos Verdes. That's actually where so many of my ideas came up, when I would walk in the hills of Palos Verdes and do some mini hikes on my own. So I wrote the Guided Business Plan series just to simplify business planning. And I'm so glad that the entrepreneur community is really coming up even stronger in the South Bay, especially with Silicon Beach coming down this way. So I'm hoping that there are more events for us to get out, see more of the business owners, so that way we can just continue to build and grow.
We're gonna build and grow together, girlfriend.
All right.
Women power. All right, 60 Second South Bay. Melanie, thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you on the beach.
All right, bye.
Bye.